This is the Electi Review. Today, what-if analysis tools and why most SMEs are still doing it wrong. Every sales manager, buyer, and CFO faces the same moment, a decision with uncertain outcomes and no clean way to test it before committing. That's the problem a what-if analysis tool is designed to solve. The concept is not new. Microsoft Excel has offered scenarios, goal-seek, and data tables for decades. IBM frames it as a strategic planning technique. Start with a baseline, then build alternative scenarios by changing one assumption at a time. The mechanism is straightforward. You have inputs: price, quantity, lead time, interest rate. You have a model, a formula, or algorithm that connects those inputs to outputs. You run scenarios: best case, worst case, most likely. And you compare results: margin, revenue, cash flow, risk exposure. It is closer to a flight simulator than a static report. You do not guess the future. You measure what changes when you pull a specific lever. Here is the distinction that matters most, and that most teams get wrong. A forecast extends the present. A what-if simulation deliberately alters a scenario to measure the effect. They are not interchangeable. Confusing them means you think you are stress testing your assumptions when you are only projecting your current trajectory. The real operational problem is not the logic, it is the maintenance. A traditional spreadsheet produces one-time scenarios. New data arrives, and someone has to reopen the file, correct the cells, and rebuild the comparisons. That repetitive work is where analysis slows down and decisions get delayed. The article argues this is where AI platforms like Electi change the equation. Scenarios that update automatically as new data flows in, without requiring someone to redo the model every week. The checklist the article offers is worth taking seriously. Start with a measurable baseline, change one variable at a time, involve a non-technical stakeholder to test clarity, and always document your assumptions, not just the numbers. Numbers without context are quickly forgotten and silently dangerous. The core argument is this: what-if analysis does not eliminate risk? It makes risk visible and manageable. That is its actual value for a small or medium business. The question is not whether to run scenarios. It is whether you are updating them fast enough to matter. That's the review.